Hello everyone, welcome to Med Smashers. Today I will discuss about surgical emphysema. The another name is subcutaneous emphysema. Emphysema means trapped air. The definition is presence of gas or air in subcutaneous tissues or and fascial planes like coverings of various structures such as muscles, tendons, bursa, vessels, ligaments, joints, and bones. It requires a breach of an air containing viscous in communication with soft tissues and the generation of positive pressure to push air along tissue planes. It is not typically dangerous but can be a symptom of very dangerous underlying conditions such as pneumothorax. It is the hallmark of Fournier gangrene. I will make a video of Fournier gangrene soon, so stay with Med Smashers. The causes of surgical emphysema are poorly managed chest drain, occlusion of tube, improper placement of tube, ruptured esophagus. It is the most serious cause. Mediastinal surgical emphysema can also occur with asthma or bell trauma from positive pressure ventilation. Lung injury like fractured ribs puncture a lung, then ultimately it causes surgical emphysema. Tracheal injury like when an endotracheal tube can puncture the trachea or bronchi, chest wall injury, penetrating trauma like gunshot wounds or stab wounds, or blunt trauma. After laparoscopic procedure, fracture of nasal bone, infection like gas gangrene. There are two types of surgical emphysema. It can be localized or generalized. Localized is observed in the site of trauma, and generalized is extensive in the neck, face, eyelids, even in the scrotum also. The clinical features are pain, diffuse swelling of subcutaneous region, palpable crepitus. When doctor palpate, unusual crackling sensation occurs as the gas is pushed through the tissue. Air bubbles, which are painless and feel like small nodules to the touch. Now the investigation. X-ray of chest and neck is the confirmatory test. Chest X-rays may show air in the mediastinum in the middle of the chest cavity. Here is an X-ray of surgical emphysema. Treatment. Conservative treatment. It is to treat the cause, but in severe cases, intercostal tube on one side or both sides placement is needed. An intercostal tube connected to an underwater seal is central to the management of chest disease. So this is all about surgical emphysema. I hope you have liked this lecture. If you like it, then give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you everyone. Bye.